And I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. By the title, you already know. I'm finna show you how to achieve this hairstyle on short hair. Y'all, when I tell y'all cut all my hair off, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I will insert the pictures. I was bald head, okay? And I'm just now being able to even do a little something. I do recommend y'all getting 2 bundles or at least 3. My head is really little, so I thought I needed just 1 bundle, but clearly I need more than 1 bundle. Y'all gonna see in the video. The hair do shed, but what hair don't shed? And y'all, I'm sorry if I sound stuffed. I'm actually sick right now. See how I did that? Let's just... I don't know what I was thinking. Yes, this was definitely eat if I had more bundles. Like, that's crazy. Good thing I got like backup here. And it's the same kind too.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I'm gonna just leave it like that. You're gonna need is your edge brush and some edge control for real.
Pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard
Y'all, this was the end results on my hair. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed. If it wasn't for this hairband, yeah, I'd probably be looking crazy right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.